Okay. Hey, I found a house. It's awesome.
Look at my hat. It's sweating.
Yeah. We walked a long way.
What's in here?
And look, there's a old kettle on here. So I've been here, but that's what like little bad children.
What's in here?
It's this one has a padlock, but you would put your stuff in. I'm gonna close this so no evil children try to get inside.
So evil children try to kill themselves?
No, they will get cooked. Hi.
Hey.
I am recording.
There's a baby.
Oh. It's probably, I mean look, there's spider webs clearly.
That one in vegan? That's like steak and stuff like that. Where did you see that? That's it?
Oh, and then here's look.
Hail Satan.
Hey, this place still has power.
This isn't kind of a place you want to put your kids for. Oh, what's stove in here for?
Because I think it's like a off-season cabin thing.
We got it.
Okay, well my video stopped, but yeah, this place still has power. What?
I put it on.
You can say hello, YouTube.
I want to do it. Let me do it.
Flip the switch.
Hello. I sound weird, you know. Hey.
Let's go check out the outside.
Let's go. Let's check out the outside. Hey,
there's-
let me show the YouTuber me.
Hi.
I'm not a girl, I'm a boy, so.
Yeah,
I'm a boy.
this is in Minnesota, and all Indians tend to have long hair.
They're Native Americans.
Okay.
And
then there's a sewer, great.
I want to go down. I want to go down.
Confined space, so don't go. And then there's another building down there. You know what, let's go to it. Oh, we'll cut back when I'm
Welcome back.
there we go. So, the sun is in my eye. I don't know what this place.
It's half abandoned though.
Oh, it's like a foot shower.
There's a little door handle. Doesn't really do anything.
It's a foot shower place. And now this is where you hang little bad children. But, see, I think this. Hang on.
Spray.
Stick.
It's a spray.
Oh, I see. Yeah, we can spray.
And then they have the brush.
Yeah, so it's like it's like a weird looking shower. Well, welcome to Split Rock Creek, that sign
Oh, that's
says.
where they put them fish. They hang it up.
Oh yeah, it's probably a fishing place. That would make a lot of sense. Now
They
here's
clean the fish.
now.
And then,
Oh God, my video keeps cutting out probably because but if you look in there, there's dead fish heads.
let me
Yeah, we should not be touching any of this.
Let me see. I need to see.
Oh, you can look at it later when I edit this video. Okay, well we are done in there. Now we know what it's for. Well, say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next Explore.